Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm in a fire. We're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from MAC, and it's MAC Art Library Flame-Boyant. I think this is how pronounce name of this palette. I'm coming close to you. I want you to see it. Don't you think I look pretty? I love this look. I truly love this look. I'm 44. My eyes look pop. I look young. Okay, stay on this channel if you want to look younger, if you want to look fresh, if you want to lift your eye, if you have hoodie eye, this is video for you, okay? Comments below, give me thumbs up, and let's start. And don't be scared, you will see me with no makeup. Yes, I'm not a woman who wake up in the morning and look fabulous. No, I put some extra effort, little bit extra makeup for every day to look good for you and me, of course, too. Okay, love you more than ice cream. Let's start. Before using this beautiful eyeshadow palette, let's take care of my skin first. I knew I want to look young, I want to look pretty, I want my skin look flawless. Today we're gonna use first product, and it's by Fresh. It's oil, it looks like oil and water together. It is serum. It's a oil infused serum. I like to shake a little bit, will plump your skin. It's a good hydrating serum. And then we're gonna use Bobbi Brown moisturizer. Then we're gonna use Bobbi Brown eye cream. Moisturizer, again, it is Bobbi Brown. This is its Repair Moisture Cream Intense Moisturizer. Lots of hydration. It is very like a creamy, light texture creamy texture. Remind me little bit, I'm putting on my hands too, it feels a little bit dry today. It reminds me a little bit texture of La Mer Soft Moisturizer. Then I'm gonna use also Repair Eye Cream, hydrating, dark circles, puffiness, of course, lines and wrinkle, and it is pretty creamy eye cream. Ooh, very creamy, very hydrating. This foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, in this sample I have Airbrush Flawless color number 5, because again I need to cover my skin. I want my skin to look flawless, and this product will help me. Foundation, it's done, and you can see how beautiful my skin look. But again, remember, you need to prepare your skin before you apply this foundation, because if you're gonna put on a dry skin, this foundation is gonna do not look good. Okay, now concealer. MAC Prolong Wearing Concealer number NW20, full coverage concealer. I love this concealer, and I'm just gonna apply right here a little bit and right here, and I'm just gonna put little bit. I'm kind of like pushing these products up to lift my face. Remember, after 40 we want to lift. Yeah, I start a little bit puffy, a little bit saggy, a little bit dark circles underneath. Foundation, concealer, it's done, and now I'm gonna use powder to set my makeup. I have actually small tiny samples of MAC powder, and it's it's a Studio Fix powder number NC20. This is perfect for traveling. I love these little samples, but this foundation powder. Okay, now what should I do? let me fill my eyebrows, and then we're gonna do, you know what, let's put a little bit bronzer and a little bit highlighter. For bronze and highlighter, I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury. I really like this highlighter and I love this bronze. It's not too heavy, it's like cool undertone. But it's really good product. I love it. I'm gonna use highlighter first and just gonna apply a little bit right here, like Son of Kiss. And you can see, girls, how big difference. You saw me without foundation, now with foundation. Again, if you want your skin looks good, flawless, young, use medium to full coverage foundation. Now I'm gonna use a bronze. And I apply bronze close to my hairline, from this corner to halfway to my lips and underneath. It's give me a slim look, it's give me a healthy look. It's like a little kiss from sun. And it's time to use blush. I'm gonna use Laura Mercier blush color Rose. It's also sample size. I'm lucky to work in Nordstrom, get some free stuff, right? Because makeup can be very expensive. Okay, everybody is different how to apply blush, and on everybody it's like more high you want to apply. On some people you still want to put on an apple cheek. Again, it's different. I feel technique different for different people. I like to apply higher first, and I kind of like little bit build and pushing up, but I still feel like I'm missing something. And right now it's like all these bloggers, YouTubers, blah blah blah, pushing, they say do not apply blush right here, but it don't look good on me just right here. It is way more pretty. I will show you if I will apply how they like, how they say it's correct right now, and halfway here. But I still like to put little bit higher on my cheek, just like this. Yeah, it's way more pretty on me. You look what is best for you, just halfway and pushing up, or I like to put on my cheek, not applying too much, very little, but it's just way better on me this way. Love this blush, looks so soft. Okay, eyeshadow primer, and then I'm gonna come close and we're gonna use this beautiful palette. Okay, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows first. I have a little bit foundation on my eyes, but I still need to use primer. My favorite is MAC. I'm gonna apply on entire my eyelid. If you little bit have oily eyelid, put on top loose powder, set your primer. If you like I'm right now, feels normal, I not need to do. But also if you don't know how pigmented your eyeshadow palette or not, put always a little bit, just like it's don't need even be powder on your brush. It's like nothing here, and you can just press to your eyelid, and then you can start working with eyeshadow, because again you never know how pigmented how eyeshadow go. Okay, it's my first primer, and I'm gonna use another one. And I could not find my Anastasia Beverly Hills primer, but I have Juvia's. It will work the same, and it's like a white one. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand, and I'm gonna apply very close to my brow bone. just like this, and it's gonna give me like extra lift. Even I don't have right now any eyeshadow on me, I feel beautiful already. Yeah, I'm serious. Just when your complexion is done, you already look pretty, young, sexy. Girls, give me thumbs up, subscribe my YouTube channel, and of course Instagram Katya Beauty Style. Coming close to you. I have a blending brush, and we're gonna use this first color. It's matte color, and we're gonna make a middle color on my eyelid. And you can see it's my suckle area. I applying little bit higher, and I building little color, soft like a peachy color. When you have a little bit hoodie eyes, you need to apply eyeshadow little bit higher first. This is just one color, and it already looks so pretty on me. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful orange color, and I actually gonna go above my suckle area again. Now I have a clean blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend these two colors together. And I actually pushing slowly this color up. This will be perfect eyeshadow application for every day or special day. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful matte brown eyeshadow, and I'm using North brush. It's my favorite blending small brush. Very important to blend everything this. I'm gonna use again this color right here, and I'm just gonna go above a little bit this darker color, coming back with darker color, and I'm just building little bit more right here in my crease. Now I have a flat brush like this, and we're gonna use is my like eyeliner underneath. It's okay if it's not perfect, we're gonna blend. First I'm gonna blend right here, and with small brush underneath. I have my makeup artist little bit trick. I have my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna little bit go right here and clean. Now we're gonna use this beautiful gold eyeshadow. I love this eyeshadow. It's such a beautiful quality, and I love how pigments go like a butter. Voila! One more time I'm gonna blend eyeshadow with big blending brush. Wow, my eyes look so pretty. Very pretty. It looks like blue. Okay, let's use now this beautiful white, like gold undertone color. It's pretty, very pretty. Again, you can see right here it's gold, right here it's a darker color. Then remember, first we used one peachy color, and then we went with orange above. And I like to put this little bit brighter orange color right here, not very close to my brow, but not entirely. What it does, this color lift your eyelid. Okay, let's do this. I'm serious. I feel I should make way more video for this palette because it's so amazing. Okay, light color close to eyebrows. Again, it's like it's gold. So pretty. And very little I'm gonna apply right here in the corner of my eye. It's gonna open my eyes, it's gonna make my eye more pretty and sexy. Then what should we do? Liquid eyeliner. I want my lashes to look full. I'm gonna lift my eyelid and I'm gonna put waterproof eyeliner between my lashes. And you can see big difference how these eyes like more pop, right? All what I do, just put on waterline underneath. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna use Makeup Forever. It's a liquid eyeliner number number 4, I believe, and it's like a plum color. I just purchased from Nordstrom, 05 matte plum. And you can see all what I do, just press. I turn and I finish. Yeah, it's so pretty color. Ooh, love it. We almost finished. I'm gonna use Lancome primer, have vitamin D, make stronger your lashes, vitamin E, make longer your lashes. And then I'm gonna use today, mascara from Chanel Le Volume. We're not gonna put today false lashes. I'm just gonna use this mascara, and this mascara will give me lots of volume. And of course we're gonna put on a bottom too. We're almost done, girls. Again, this look pretty. I hope you like too. Please give me a thumbs up. Let's finish this look with lip products. This is its brand. It's Citizen, and it's a Asian person who found this brand. And it's $29. You have one side lipstick and another it's lip gloss, and it's have like a manga bar. And then also it's a very good lip liner. I don't remember price, but it's waterproof. Okay, let's do it. Let's finish this. Wow, I love this retractable lip liner. Love how product go on my lips. We finished this look. This is so pretty. Again, today we use this beautiful MAC eyeshadow palette, and it's amazing colors, and I look pretty. Like I always say, no one woman not pretty. We just need a little bit makeup, and I love you more than ice cream. Bye everybody, we'll see you in my next video.